When you dissolve a substance in water, you produce an aqueous solution. So when you dissolve a solute in a solvent, where the solvent is water, you will produce an aqueous solution. The solution formed may be acidic, alkaline, or neutral, and this depends on which substance you have dissolved. So in this presentation, we will define three important terms, which are acids, bases or alkalis, and neutral. Let's start with acids. Some acids that you should be familiar with are sulfuric acid, H2SO4, hydrochloric acid, HCl, and nitric acid, HNO3. These are examples of dangerous acids, and they are too dangerous to put in your mouth. Other acids, such as ethanoic acid, which is present in vinegar, it's a weak acid and it's edible. So as you know, we use vinegar in our food, even though it's an acid. So it's a weak acid and it's edible. All acids taste very sour. On the other hand, bases are substances that can neutralize acids. So to neutralize an acid, we will use a base. If the base is soluble, such as soluble hydroxides, we call it alkalis, and thus the solution produced is alkaline. One example is sodium hydroxide solution. So when you dissolve sodium hydroxide, NaOH, in water, you will produce a sodium hydroxide solution which is alkaline. On the other hand, metal oxides and metal hydroxides are bases. They are both insoluble in water. So for example, if you dissolve iron oxide or copper hydroxide in water, they won't dissolve. They are insoluble in water and we call them bases. Pure water, H2O, is a neutral, so it's neither acidic nor alkaline. An acid will turn blue litmus paper into red, whereas a base will turn a red litmus paper into blue. A neutral solution won't affect the color of the litmus paper. So if you have a red litmus paper which turned blue in the solution, this means that this solution is alkaline. On the other hand, if the blue litmus paper turned red, then this is an acidic solution.